10 for both of them. Oh my god. The grading cost of only 2 discard only is 700 something. Let's see what grade we got. Come on, hope it can come back. Black label, one of them. Oh no, I don't want to see it first. Come on, why it's so hard? This is the copy, January 8th. Oh, there's my address. Back it. Alright, let's see. What grade do we get here? This is the Ace SP. Error. What grade do we have here? Oh, come on. Oh, lighting. Oh my god. I think it's better like this. Scroll. Come on. Come back as a 10. Oh my god, the centering is 9.5. Cornering. Oh my god, what grade do we have here? 9.5. Okay, not bad, not bad. 9.5. Which is a 10. Oh my god. Right. Let's see for the Luffy here. Red Manga Luffy. Come on. It's not black label, you know. It's a gold, but let's hope it's a 10. Let's see. Centering. It's a 10. Edges 10. Come on now. Another 10. What of them? What is the corner say? Oh my god, corner is 9.5. And surface is a 10. Of course it's a 10, right? Let's go. It's a 10. Bang, bang, bang. Let's go.